Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important question from the electromagnetic theory in electromagnetic waves in dielectric material. According to your CSIR syllabus, there is a electromagnetic waves in free space. Subsequent topic is electromagnetic waves in dielectrics, and then electromagnetic waves in conductors are there. This electromagnetic waves in dielectrics is a big chapter. So many varieties are there. You have to take the a electromagnetic beam is incident normally, a electromagnetic beam is incident obliquely, the polarization of incident beam is parallel incident to the plane of incidence, a polarization of the incident beam is perpendicular to the plane of incident. Such a 4 cases also is there. Within the 4 cases, we have to explain about the basic fundamental laws of light. So that is a law of incidence, plane of incidence, that is the second law is law of reflection, the third law is law of refraction, that is the Snell's law. So in another case, you able to consider that is a Brewster's law and total internal reflection. So these many light phenomena also we have to explain by using these electromagnetic waves in dielectric phenomena. But I have to choose 2 questions. One question this, one more question also I have to teach and I will upload to you. So based on your question coming areas, I took these questions. Once you have to see in GATE 2018, electromagnetic waves in dielectrics. This topic is belongs to the electromagnetic waves in dielectrics. Once you have to read the question. An electromagnetic plane wave is propagating with an intensity. What is your intensity? They are giving the data. So whatever the data they are giving, that data you have to write first. So an electromagnetic plane wave is propagating with an intensity I is equal to, this is the average Poynting vector. Average Poynting vector means average energy flux density is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power of 5 watts per meter. So this is a electromagnetic plane wave is propagating with an intensity is equal to this much in the medium. So in the medium, in the dielectric medium, that permittivity is equal to 3 into permittivity in free space. Your dielectric medium permeability is equal to, that is going to take it as a permeability in free space you have to write. What they are asking, the amplitude of the electric field. The amplitude of the electric field is 0 is equal to how much? Inside the medium is in terms of what? 10 to the power of q into volt per meter. In terms of 10 to the power of cube, you have to calculate. How we need to calculate once you have to see? We know that the intensity is equal to the average Poynting vector is equal to 1 by 2 into V into epsilon into E naught square. This is our fundamental formula. This is the intensity of a electromagnetic beam. Clear? So based on this, which one we need to calculate? E naught we need to calculate. So you have to rearrange this expression. 2I is equal to V into epsilon into E naught square. Therefore, E naught square is equal to 2 into I is divided by V into epsilon. Therefore, E naught is equal to square root of 2 into I is divided by V into epsilon. You have to write it is. This is your, which one it is? Amplitude of the electric field. Now, you need to calculate here. What you have to calculate, you have to see. So E naught square is equal to E naught is equal to, we have to write it is Now you substitute here E naught is equal to the square root of 2 into we have to write it is 2 into which one you able to write it is 2 into I, you have to write I as it easily you have to write. So that V is equal to in the medium 1 by square root of mu into epsilon into epsilon. So this epsilon you have to write it is root epsilon into root epsilon, 1 root epsilon, 1 root epsilon is get cancelled. Therefore, E naught is equal to square root of 2 into I into square root of mu is divided by epsilon, it will come. Now you have to substitute the values. So your data now it is fixing. So therefore E naught is equal to 2 into 1.0 into 10 to the power of 5 square root of your permittivity is equal to mu naught, your permeability is equal to mu naught, your permittivity is equal to 3 into epsilon naught, you have to write it is. So therefore you substitute these values, so you will get the answer. So what is the answer once you have to see? E naught is equal to square root of 2 into 1.0 into 10 to the power of 5 square root of mu naught is equal to 45 into 10 to the power of 7 is divided by 3 into epsilon naught is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. You simplify this expression, you able to get how much you are getting? 66 into 10 to the power of 2 volt per meter you are getting. But you able to see in terms of 10 to the power of 3 we need to get. So therefore 6.6 into 10 to the power of 3 volt per meter. So this is your amplitude of electric amplitude corresponding to your problem. Like this we have to do in our competitive examination. What is your answer? 6.6 into 10 to the power of 3 volt per meter. Like this we need to do. Clear? So if you really likes my teaching, we started the online coaching of CSIR and GATE physics content. Not only that, JL physics content, DL physics content also will available. You have to take, you download my app first. Once you have to download my app, that is Quantum Online Academy app you have to download. After downloading my app, you able to see the courses. So what are our courses will appear like this. CSIR and GATE physics course will appear like this, and so JL physics course will appear like this, DL physics course will appear like this. So the CSIR and GATE mathematical methods of physics. So this paper is completed now, mathematical methods of physics. Clear? Now you have to see the classical mechanics. This paper also completed now, classical mechanics also completed now. Clear? Now you have to take here. So this is the atomic and molecular physics. Atomic and molecular physics. Now there is a live plus recorded classes are going on. Now live plus recorded classes are going on. Here almost the 75% of the core syllabus of the electromagnetic theory is completed. Maybe a couple of days I have to finish the, so what are the core syllabus is there, that syllabus I need to finish. Some advanced part also is there, almost 75% of electromagnetic theory paper also available. Right now these 3 papers are available. These individual papers, if you want, you have to take the individual paper. Otherwise you have to take a CSIR and GATE course, you have to take the CSIR and GATE course. First you download my app, right? So once you have to see the courses, so you have to see the content, what content I taught. Once you listen in our YouTube channel, so many topics I discovered, I derived and I explained in the YouTube channel. If you really likes my teaching, you have to utilize this chance. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and inform to your friends over in the physics fraternity, right. Thank you so much.